Well, we are out after some critters. And I said, we. Remember what I told you about trying to be quiet and quit screwing around with the bucket?
Yeah.
So, Max had school till 1:40. He decided that he wanted to go hunting. So, we're going hunting. We've got a spot. We've been sitting and seeing a bunch of turkeys and a bunch of deer coming into it. And we're gonna sneak into there. The problem is I don't have trigger sticks that are tall enough for him to shoot standing up. So we're gonna bring the shooting stick elevator.
Oh my gosh.
What? There's a bunch of turkeys out there right now. What? Excited already? Good. Alright, Max are still here.
Dad, did you bring snacks?
Did I bring snacks?
Yes.
Of course I brought snacks.
Can I have one?
Do you know we've been probably in the blind for like 6 minutes?
Yeah, I need a snack.
3, 2, 1, go. If you haven't had the opportunity to hunt with a 9-year-old, I strongly encourage it. It's way more fun than not.
Get the crossbow.
Just be here, they come back out. They're coming back out, okay? Alright, so just slow and steady. They're all gonna come back out. It wasn't.
Am I gonna get that crossbow?
It wasn't us that scared them, okay? So just stay still.
I don't think they know we're here.
Be very careful because it's on that bucket. It's off, Max. The safety is off. It's ready to
The
fire.
top one. The top one.
Top knot. Just wait.
Right now. Right now.
Right now is perfect. Second dot. Hold on. No. Just wait. No, wait for that leg to move forward. And then tuck it right behind her leg. Center of her body. Right behind her shoulder, though. Okay, hold on. Okay, no, just wait. Just wait. She's looking at us now, so that's not gonna work. Just wait. Don't move. Right there, man. Hold on, don't move. She gotta stop. Right now. Top dot.
Did I get her? Well, we're gonna have to go look to see if we find Plum.
Yep. So what did you see? Tell me about it. Where did you shoot her?
I shot.
Show me on me. She was sitting there like this.
Yeah, I shot right there.
Okay.
I tried to at least.
Okay.
I don't know if the gun, if I missed, I don't know if the gun is high or low.
Hey, it's okay, buddy. We'll go look at it, okay? Was that fun? That was awesome, bud.
Thanks.
You were awesome. You were rock solid on that thing as best as you could being on a bucket, okay? See if you can find the arrow.
It's off.
No, you shot right underneath her. That was it.
Oh my gosh. Whew. My heart's racing.
Your heart's racing?
I don't know why.
I don't know why.
It was.
Pretty exciting, isn't it?
Yeah, it was. Oh man. Yeah, I thought I had him.